Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making Chrome ready. Update the browser so extensions install cleanly and are compatible. Once done, sign into your Google profile to keep settings synced across devices. This prevents losing your ad blocker. You don't need to install anything yet, just confirm Chrome version and back up any open work. Doing this minimizes conflicts and ensures permissions behave predictably when you add the extension in the next step. You now install the actual blocker. Search the Chrome Web Store for uBlock origin and choose the official listing. Click Add to Chrome and carefully review the permissions it requests. Accept only what's necessary. Once installed, pin the icon to the toolbar and open the dashboard to enable common filter lists like Easy List and Easy Privacy. Make sure to disable overlapping ad block extensions. Running multiple blockers can cause site breakage and unpredictable behavior. You finish by testing. Visit sites known for many ads to confirm blocking works and enable cosmetic filters to remove leftover placeholders. If a site breaks, whitelist it temporarily or use the element picker to remove a specific element. If pages behave oddly, make sure to disable other extensions that alter requests or reset uBlock origin to defaults. This clears corrupt rules. Finally, keep filters updated and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.